Hi, my name is Cindy Rang with the Fabric Patch in Ephrata, Washington. We've been slowly working through all of our best gift-giving ideas for you, and we have realized that we have tons of things that we've shown you already this season that are just 1, 2, or 3 seams. The Minky Cowl, the mittens, the stuffies. This is another fantastic, easy one that is just 3 seams, and it's the pocket scarf. This is so fast, it's just almost sinful. It is just 1 yard of fabric, and you can see that the way that this is made is it has these little pockets here. So you can drape it this way, but what's kind of nice is it's long enough that you can bring it around a couple ways. And then what you can do is put your phone in there, you can put your credit card in there, something else that you need. But if you want to, and not have it come all the way around, you can also use it as pockets just to go ahead and keep your hands warm. So I like this. I actually wear mine at the shop often because I will keep scissors and other sewing things inside my pockets. I like making it out of flannel. This particular one is an organic cotton. It's a little bit lighter weight, but you can make it out of flannel, you can make it out of minky, you can make it out of anything. And when it's time to give it as a gift, it's real easy just to roll it up, put a bow, add a little ornament to it, and you're good to go. It's fun to have maybe a little friends party and do multiple colors and let them choose which one they like, even before they know what's in the package underneath that ribbon. I'm going to show you, it is just a couple of cuts and a couple of seams. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this really cute flannel piece and I'm going to cut it into 4 strips. Okay, I've taken my yard of fabric, and the first thing I did is I cut off my selvage off of the bottom, and then I cut it into 4 strips. And then after I have my 4 strips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew these two, any two, right sides together at the short end right here, and I'm going to do the same thing with these two. Okay, both of these are sewn. Now what I'm going to do is open this up, match up these 2 seams, and then I'm going to sew, I'd come down here, about here, back stitch, sew all the way around, all the way back, and back stitch here, leaving an opening of about 5 inches. Okay, once you've sewn all the way around, then all you're going to do is turn it right side out. I usually will take it and press it, and once I've pressed it and I've tucked these edges in, you can hand sew this, but what I find is that it's a little bit easier just to go ahead and top sew. So again, you're just going to spend a couple of minutes at the iron pressing everything, because then when you top sew all the way around, you're not only going to go ahead and close up that area, but it gives it that nice finished look. Because then the last step is, once you've sewn all the way around, you're just going to fold up the bottom. So it's going to look like this and be very finished. But you're just going to fold this up, decide how deep you want your pocket to be, and just follow that same seam line and sew all the way up. And that's it. Add whatever decoration you'd like to. You're going to do that on both sides, and that is your finished pocket scarf. So again, sinfully simple. You can make it out of any kind of fabric that you'd like, whatever you'd like, whether you want it to be cozy, functional, both. But the idea of having the pockets, always a spot for your gloves, your phone, your keys, and even just to keep your hands warm. So great gift giving idea, especially for the holidays. Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.